How to change your primary email address in your LinkedIn account. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get started. So first you need to open your account in a LinkedIn site. Then you need to click on your profile icon, then go to settings and privacy. Here you need to go to sign in and security. After that, you need to go to email addresses. Here you need to click on email address. So a code will be sent to your email. You need to fill that up. After that, click on submit. Then write your new email address. Then write the password of your LinkedIn account. Then click on submit. After that, you need to verify the email. After you verify your email, go back to email addresses in your LinkedIn account and click on make primary in the secondary email. So you need to type your password here and it will set your password to primary email. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.